Hello everyone, welcome to GEMS Quiz. Expand your mind, one quiz at a time. Test your knowledge of English grammar in the present simple tense. You have 20 questions and 10 seconds per question. And if you're ready, hit the like and subscribe button for more fun games like this. Tell us how many you got right at the end of the quiz. Feeling confident? Let's hear your answer. Let's keep the energy up. What's next? Remember, it's all about having fun. Spot on. You're killing it. Can you name it before the timer runs out? Feeling confident? Let's hear your answer. The clock is ticking. Guess now. You're doing awesome. Keep going. Thank you for tuning in. Get ready to conquer your next challenge. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more thrilling quizzes and games. This is just the beginning, and we'll catch you in the next challenge.